You ever wondered how nature can be so smart? From the way birds flock together to the way ants form colonies, nature can be incredibly efficient and effective in solving complex problems. Scientists have developed a wide range of nature-inspired computation algorithms that draw inspiration from these natural systems and phenomena. These algorithms can be used to optimize processes, create new solutions, and help us better understand the world around you.
Yeah, my name is Dr. Modestus Oku. I'll be presenting to you the nature-inspired computation algorithm. Nature-inspired computation algorithm. Yeah, the definition of nature-inspired computation algorithm. Yeah, methods drawn from natural systems and phenomena such as evolution, swarm behavior, and neural networks, and many others. Now we'll quickly look at a list of some popular nature-inspired systems. Let's see the next slide. 1. Genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm is a search optimization algorithm that meets the process of natural selection. The second is particle swarm optimization. This is an optimization technique that is based on movements and behavior of particles in a swarm. The next is the ant colony optimization. This is an optimization algorithm that simulates the behavior of ant colonies for solving combinatorial optimization problems. The next is artificial neural network. Very interesting one. A computational model inspired by the structure and function of the human brain used for pattern recognition and prediction. The next is differential evolution. Differential evolution is a stochastic optimization algorithm that searches for the best combination of parameters to optimize a cost function. Now the next is the bee colony optimization. The warbler of the honeybee is an optimization algorithm inspired by the behavior of bees in a colony, and they are used for solving complex optimization problems in diverse areas of systems. Yeah, the next is the harmony search algorithm. This is an optimization algorithm that simulates the process of searching for a harmonious musical composition. Then the next is the firefly algorithm. Firefly algorithm is a swarm optimization algorithm that is based on flashing behavior of fireflies. Then we have here the gray wolf optimizer. Gray wolf optimizer is an optimization algorithm that is based on social hierarchy and hunting behavior of the gray wolves. The next is artificial immune system. This is a computational model inspired by the immune system and used for pattern recognition, optimization, and classification of tasks. And the next is cultural algorithm. This is then the next is Coco search. This one optimization algorithm inspired by broad parasitism behavior of Coco search. And the next is the BAT algorithm. BAT algorithm is an optimization algorithm that simulates the echolocation and hunting behavior of bats. Elephant heading optimization. This optimization algorithm is inspired by social behavior of heading behavior of elephants. Then the next is the whale optimization algorithm. Yeah, this is an optimization algorithm that simulates the bottlenecks feeding behavior of humpback whales. The listed algorithms are just few examples of many nature-inspired computation algorithms that have been developed over the years. See a slide for other examples. We have also the lion algorithm, lion optimization algorithm, the elephant search algorithm, the gray wolf optimizer, the spider monkey optimization, the backtracking search optimization, optimal foraging optimization, ant lion, bumblebee, and other types of algorithms.